Dear sixth students, I think you are preparing today English test. Already I have sent you portion and pattern. Portion and pattern. Portion, prose 3 and prose poem. And their book bags. Total marks 25. Glossary 5 marks. Short answers 6 marks. Complete the table 5 marks. Poem 3 short answers 6 marks. Choose the correct option 3 marks. Total marks 25. Dear students, already I told you in your test you have to keep legible handwriting and fair presentation because language papers which needs neat presentation. At the same time, you memorize yourself and practice yourself very well, then only you can get more marks. After memorizing your portion, that is impossible to write indirectly in your tests. So that practice and write yourself in your home, then you start to write in your tests. Okay. And glossary. Foreign. You should be known the meaning of the word foreign. Already also you are using this word. Belongs to other countries. Merchants. Merchants also people who trade. Okay. Sailed. Traveled in a boat or ship. There is a slightly difference between sail and travel. We can use the word sail traveling in the sea. Okay. The word sail we have to use only in the traveling in the sea. So sailed here means travel in a boat or ship. Portuguese. People of Portugal. Adventurous. Brave and bold. Indeeds. Adventurous deeds. Adventurous action. Risky action. That's called adventurous. Popular. Well known. You have another synonym. Reputed. Okay. Students, you remember one thing. Popular and notorious also same meaning. The word popular we are using the word popular to person who is popular in correct way, in a beneficial way. Notorious means notorious also popular, a person who is popular in wrong deeds. To denote to it, we have to use notorious. So that popular is well known. Stubby, short and thick. Delicious, tasty. Okay. When Amma said, "Don't upset our foreign visitors," she meant chilli. Selvi asked, "Did they come in an aeroplanes?" Because she was joking. She was joking. Mummy said, "Don't upset our foreign visitors." So that Selvi asked her like this, "Did they come in an aeroplane?" Amma bought the vegetables from the shops. Then, who first brought these vegetables to India? Merchants first brought these vegetables to India. Ancient merchants. In olden days, merchants first brought these vegetables to India. Who came to India from Portugal in search of pepper? Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama came to India from Portugal in search of pepper. What did Amma mean when she said tomatoes, ladies' fingers, and corn came from other countries? Amma meant that money should not eat tomatoes, ladies' fingers, and corn because they came from other countries. Because they came from other countries. Mummy asked money not to eat tomatoes, ladies' fingers, and corn. Why? Because they came from other countries. Okay. Dear students, see here in text, in one side given country, name of the country, in another side nationality, indeed nationality. Portugal, Portuguese. France, French. China and its nationality, Chinese. Nationality for America, American. Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan. Spain, Spain lad. Burma, Burmese. India, Indian. Thailand, Thai. Here, listen to some interesting facts about the spices and choose the best option. Red peppers have vitamin C. Dear students, red peppers contains vitamin C. Red peppers have vitamin C. Red chili is also called paprika. 1 pound is equal to 450. Mint leaves help to cure upset stomach. Dear students, listen here your conversation between Sarita and Divya. Sarita asks Divya, "Hi Divya, how are you?" Divya, "Hey, I am fine, Sarita." Then Sarita asks her, "What did you have for breakfast?" Divya replies, "I had idlis with onion chutney." Sarita, "Do you know where onions came from?" Divya replies, Yes, I guess it is from Central Asia. Sarida, do you know chili too has come from somewhere else? Divya, is it from Portuguese? Sarida, yes. Alright. Divya, many of the spices and vegetables came from foreign nations. Correct the order of the words in bold and write them in the blanks. Here you can find a regular sentence, shuffled sentence. Just you rearrange the words in the correct form of the sentence. Okay. Green little the chili. The little green chili. The little green chili. Next one, sailors many brave. Many brave sailors. Brown dog the big. The big brown dog. Then spice most common. The most common spice. The most common spice. The pot mud long. The long mud path. The long mud path. Okay.